Hello guys, and welcome once again to a new video. In today's video I want to address a problem with the backup camera or reverse camera flickering on Android head units. So in case you have an Android head unit with the aftermarket reversing camera and you have flickering of this camera when the engine is on, let me show you exactly how it should look like. So for me it's not that bad, but as you can see I have a small flickering over the camera, and this doesn't happen when the engine is off, so only when it's on. So for you might be much worse. For me it's not that bad, but my OCD wants to get rid of it, and in this video I will show you how to get rid of it. First of all, I want to explain why do you have this problem. So when the engine is on, the alternator, or how is it called in English, I don't know exactly, gives 14 volts. The backup bulb, or bulb, it needs 12 volts. So in this case the ECU gives pulse width modulation, PWM, in order to reach the 12 volts. So that's why you see the flickering, due to the pulsing voltage in the backup bulb. So what you need to do is simple. You only need to disconnect the negative terminal from the bulb, and instead use the negative terminal of the head unit. But you have already connected the negative terminal of the head unit via the RCA cable of the camera. So let's go in the back and show you exactly what you have to do. So we are here in the back, and here is the connector for the backup bulb. And here are the connection, the black wire and the red wire, plus and minus. And you can see here I have the plus of the camera and the minus of the camera. What you need to do is disconnect this connector. Maybe it's a good idea to disconnect the main terminal from the battery of the car, and just disconnect this terminal, the minus terminal, from the backup bulb, and connect it back. Of course, isolate it good, and also this one isolated, and you are good to go. Let's go back in the car and show you the final result. So now we are back in the car with the engine on and connecting the reverse camera. As you can see, clear as sunshine, no interference whatsoever. So it's that simple. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. If you have any question, put it in a comment section below, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.